Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. And well, in our society, especially in educational institutions and school and colleges and university, the increase of the smoking, increase of the some you can say the using this sort of the drug addiction. Today I'm discussing about with yourself. This is a very hot topic, and you can say the very burning issue in our society. So I will discuss with you how we can leave this. You can say the curse and what's the reason and what's the effect of the smoking. So let's start it. Yes, today I will discuss with you the 13 ways smoking affect the body. Smoking cigarettes can have many adverse effects on the body. Some of them can lead to the life-threatening complications. Smoking increases person's risk of cancer, heart disease, and stroke, and more. Cigarette smoking harms almost all organs in the body and causes many diseases. It reduces the health of the smokers in general. This article look at the 13 bad effects of making cigarettes. Let's start it. The number one, the lungs damage. The smoking cigarettes damages the lungs because of the person inhales and nicotine among the others chemicals. Cigarettes are responsible for the, you can say, the size increase in the risk of the developing lung cancer. This risk is 25 times greater than for men and 25.7 times for the women. The number two, the heart disease. Smoking cigarettes can damage the heart blood vessel and the blood cell. The chemicals and you can see the flammable in cigarettes can increase the person's risk of disease of arteries, which is the buildup of tablet in the blood vessels. This buildup limits blood flow and can lead to the dangerous blockage. Having the PAD increase the risk of blood clots. Number two, the angina, chest pain, stroke, and the heart attack. The number three, risk of the type 2 diabetes. The CDC report that the people who smoke regularly have a 30 to 40% higher risk of the developing type 2 diabetes than those who don't. Smoking can also make it more efficient and difficult for the people with the diabetes to manage the condition. The number four, the weakened immune system. Smoking cigarettes can weaken a person's immune system, making them more, as you can say, susceptible to illness. It can also cause, additional swelling in the body, vision problems, the eyesight problems. Smoking cigarettes can cause eye problems and the vision problems, including the cigarette risk of falls and muscular degeneration. Other visions problems related to smoking include dry eyes, diabetes, and many more problems. The next, the poor oral hygienic. The people who smoke have double the risk of the gums disease. This risk increase with the number of the cigarette. A person smoker, symptoms of the gum disease include swollen and tender gums. The number two, bleeding when brushing, loose teeth, sensitive teeth. Smoking tobacco can limit a person's ability to taste and smell. Smoking, taste and smell things properly. It can also sustain the teeth, yellow and the brown. The number next, outgrowth system. The outgrowth system consists of the person's skin, hair, and the nails. Smoking tobacco can affect the person's skin and the hair. A person who smoker may experience permanently aged, wrinkled skin. Yeah, the wrinkled skin. The number two, the long-term effects of the smoking include the baggers to deeper facial wrinkles, dry skin, the furrows, saggy and uneven skin, and this sort of the problems, the skin problems, you can say, especially when the person, you can say the chain smoker. Risk of the other cancer. In addition to the well-documented link with the lungs cancer, smoking cigarettes contributes to others cancer. People who smoke are also 3 times as likely to develop the blood cancer, than the people who don't. The number next, central nervous system. The central nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, which control all physical and mental activities. A smoker central nervous system becomes the damage because the nicotine causes and increase in blood pressure and the heart rate, which those organs to whenever over times. The next, the second hand smoke. These ill effects of the smoking cigarettes don't only affect people who smoke. You can say that not you are damaging yourself, you are damaging and become the risk for the others. Second hand smoker can also significantly affect the family members, friends, kids and the co-workers. Second hand smoker cause the lung cancer. According to the American Concerned Society, evidence has also the linked second-hand smoker to other cancer, including throat and breast cancer. Kids whose parents smoke get sick more often, have more lungs infections, and are more likely to have the shortness of the breath. The last, you can say some central idea I will tell you. The smoking cigarettes harm the person's health and increase the risk of the heart disease, stroke and the different types of the cancer. Other effects of the smoking include the fertility problems and the increased risk of the neurological disorders. Quitting smoking reduce the risk of the health problems such as the stroke and the heart disease, improves a person's overall health. My dear fellows, and especially my beloved students, the smoking has a great, you can say, the very destroyable effects for yourself. This sort of you can say, curse are increasing, enhancing in our institutions, colleges, universities, and so on. Anywhere I also look there. Once again, I will request to the teachers and the parents, we can play the role to stop this sort of the curse in our society, in our institutions, in our schools, college, in the university. We must, you can say, pay some hard sort of the attention to students and discuss why they are using this sort of some drug addictions, and they can become the, you can say, the meaningless life in the, you can say just a piece of paper sort of the person become for the society and useless person. So I request as a teacher for the students to please leave this sort of the bad habits and think about yourself and think about your parents and especially for the country. Thank you very much and God bless you. Thank you.